Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix error 522 in Cloudflare. Alright, so let's begin. We're going to fix a common and frustrating issue, Cloudflare error 522, also known as a connection timeout. This error happens when Cloudflare is unable to get a response from your web server in time, which can make your site inaccessible to visitors. To begin, understand that error 522 usually occurs when communication between Cloudflare and your origin server is blocked or delayed. One of the first things you should check is whether Cloudflare's IP addresses are properly whitelisted on your server. If your firewall or security system is blocking these IPs, Cloudflare won't be able to connect, leading to this error. Make sure you add all current Cloudflare IP ranges to your server's allow list. Since these IPs can change, always verify them from Cloudflare's official source. Also review any security tools like firewalls, bot protection systems, or modules such as mod security, as they may accidentally block legitimate Cloudflare traffic. Next, check the health of your origin server. Even if your firewall is configured correctly, the error can still occur if your server is offline or overloaded. Use external tools to test whether your website is reachable from different locations. If it isn't, the issue is likely with your hosting environment rather than Cloudflare. After that, log into your hosting control panel and monitor your server's resource usage, especially CPU and RAM. If these are consistently running high, your server may not be able to respond quickly enough, causing timeouts. In this case, try optimizing your server by disabling unnecessary plugins, removing heavy scripts, or reducing background processes that consume resources. Once you've made these adjustments, give your server a little time to stabilize and then test your website again. In most cases, following these steps will resolve the error and restore normal connectivity, and that's it. This is how you can fix error 522 in Cloudflare. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.